Today we'll see the method of substitution of integration. Okay, so we'll see the concept of substitution method and we'll do sums based on that concept. Okay, so let's start. So let's start the method of substitution. In this method, what we have to will see if x is a differentiable function of t. So phi t is a differentiable function of t. Okay. So now what we have to do, then what will be the value of fx dx. Okay. We'll see if x is equal to phi t, it means x is a differentiable function of t. It means what? X is equal to phi of t. Now x is differentiable function of t, so we can find out the value of dx upon dt. It means we can differentiate this x with respect to t. So what value we'll get? We'll get phi dash t. Okay. If phi t is equal to x, then we have to differentiate x with respect to t. We'll get this value. It means this is what it means. Phi t d phi t upon dt. Okay, it means phi dash t. Okay, so now what will be the value of dx? Dx will be equal to phi dash t into dt, because this dt will shift here. Okay, so dx will be equal to this value. Now the integral of fx with respect to dx, so it will be fx. At place of x we can write phi t. Okay, लिख सकते हैं ना phi t, and after that is dx. Okay, and what is the value we have derived? The value of dx. So what is the value of dx? Dx is phi dash t dt. So dx is phi dash t dt. So this will be the value when we are using method of substitution. Okay, so based on this formula, based on this concept, we'll do sums. We'll do different types of sums. So let's start. So we have a question, this one, evaluate this value with respect to x. So evaluate you have to find out the integral of this function with respect to x. So first of all, what we'll do, this is here we are using method of substitution. So the value of log x will be equal to, let log x is equal to t. So now differentiating both sides, what we'll get? D log x upon dx multiplied by dx upon dt. That will be equal to 1. Why? Because when we'll differentiate t with respect to t, we'll get 1. Okay, so this value will get 1 upon x multiplied by dx upon dt. Okay, is equal to 1. And now we have to find out the value of dt. Okay, so we can write 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. Okay, so now by putting this value in this equation, what we'll get? We have to find out the value of log x is t, so t to the power 7, and 1 upon x into dx is dt. So we'll write here dt. So when we are integrating this value, first of all, what we have to do? We have to increase the power. So this function t to the power 7 dt with respect to t. So we need to after integrating, what we'll get? T to the power 8 will increase one power and will divide by 8, and plus c, always keep one constant. Okay, so now this value will be 1 upon 8 multiplied by t. Now we'll put the value of t from here, that is log of x to the power 8 and plus c. We have another question. We have to find out the value of integral of this function with respect to x. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll just take by substitution method we are doing. So let x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to t. Okay, now we have to differentiate this value. What we are getting, what we'll get by differentiating this, d x square minus 3x plus phi with respect to x into dx will get dt. ठीक है. So differentiating this, what will get 2x minus 3. ठीक है. That will be equal to 2x minus 3 multiplied by मतलब 2x minus 3 dx will be equal to dt. होगा ना? Okay. So now by using this we have to do this sum. So I will be equal to 4x plus 6. Okay. So 4x plus 6 dx. So it means when we'll multiply this 2 से अगर हम multiply करेंगे this part को, so what we'll get when we are multiplying by 2 we'll get 4x minus 6 dx. Okay. So here we can write or we can take common, 2 common लेंगे, we'll get 2x minus 3 and dx. So the value we are getting. So 2 will write and dt. ठीक है. So divided by this is t. So t to the power 3 upon 2. Okay. So this value we can write like this also, 2 upon t 3 upon 2 dt. Okay. So ये value हमें मिला. After that what we have to do? After that we have to integrate. So whenever we are integrating, what value we'll get? So we are integrating. 2 is constant. So हम 2 front में ले लेते हैं. Now we have to integrate the t to the power minus 3 upon 2 dt. Okay. So what value we'll get when we are integrating this? We have to increase the power. So it will be 2 into. We have to increase the power. So it will be. We will increase by 1. So ये minus 3 upon 2 है, plus 1 क्या होगा? Minus 1 upon 2. Okay. So t to the power minus 1 upon 2 divided by minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Okay. This value plus c will get this value. मिलेगा ना ये value? So now what I का value क्या होगा? 2 into. Okay. So this is 1 upon minus 1 upon 2. So denominator में है तो we can multiply by 2 minus 2. So multiplied by minus 2 हो गया. Now t to the power minus 1 upon 2. Okay. So t का value will put t का value directly. So x square minus 3x plus 5 to the power minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 plus c. So this value will get. Finally final value will write here minus 4 into. Okay, this one is 1 upon 2 को हम root under square root लिख सकते हैं and this is minus. Okay, minus 1 upon 2. So can we write like this? Minus 4 divided by square root of x square minus 3x plus 5 plus c. So this will be our this will be the integral of this function with respect to x by substitution method. So we have another question. We have to find out the integral of this function with respect to x. So first of all we'll solve a bit. Okay. So this is minus 3 जो है 1 upon minus 3 we can take common क्योंकि वो constant है. So what value is left here? X plus log of x to the power 4 multiplied by x plus 1 divided by x. Okay. So x plus 1 divided by x. So what value can we write directly? X upon x क्या होगा? 1 होगा and 1 upon x. Okay. So we can write x upon x will be 1 and 1 upon x. ठीक है. ये value हमें मिलेगा into dx. So we have to find out the integral of this value with respect to x. So first of all by substitution method, so we will take x plus log x equal to t. Okay, then differentiating both sides, what we'll get? X plus log x dx into dx will be equal to dt. Okay, so differentiating this function will get dx with respect to x will get 1 plus log x with respect to x. Derivative of log x with respect to x will get 1 upon x. ठीक है? And dx is there, that will be equal to dt. ठीक है? होगा? Now what we'll do, we'll put the value of I. I will be equal to 1 upon minus 1 upon 3 and integration का sign, then x plus log x is equal to t. So we'll write t to the power 4 multiplied by this value 1 plus 1 upon x into dx is equal to dt. So we'll write directly dt. So what value we'll get? Okay, minus 1 upon 3 constant as it is. After that we have to t to the power 4 with respect to t. We have to find out the integral of t to the power 4 with respect to t. So what value we'll get? t का power increase करेंगे. So t का power will increase, that is 4 से वो 5 हो जाएगा and divided by 5. Okay. So this value we'll get. So now we'll put the value and plus c. Always we have to add one constant. Okay. So I का value will be equal to 1 upon 15, we can write directly, minus 1 upon 15 t का power 5. So t का power is x plus log x plus log x to the power 5 plus c. So this will be the integral function or integral of this function with respect to x by using substitution method. I hope you understood the concept. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.